Hi, I'm Carla from Flowingcreek, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gift tag that's also a gift card holder. This gift card holder gift tag is part of a collection of projects that includes this layered card. I have already cut my paper for this project using my cutting machine. I used 65-pound paper to construct this project. You will need the colors shown here. I'll list the colors in the description too. Now it's time to start gluing the project. I like to use this glue dispenser because it makes it easy to apply a small amount of glue where I need it. I usually use this Aleene's tacky glue in my dispenser because it dries clear and it is inexpensive. I also sometimes use a glue pen like this one. I've put some links in the description so you can find these items if you're interested, but you can use whatever glue you like. project is done. Thank you for watching me make this project. Leave me a comment and let me know how you liked this project and what other kinds of projects you would like to watch me make on this channel. Follow the links in the description to get the project files or supplies. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.